Well, I'll show you a couple of moments from last year. And yeah, it was a heavy year for all of us. I'm very, very glad I am who I am now. Hello? Don't bite me. First I thought I didn't survive at all or become gehandicapt. I don't know the exact word. Well, the things I suffer from now are my ear, sometimes my eye. I not see double again. I'm not seeing double again. I'm not seeing double anymore. Oh, my English. And my brain is sometimes a bit confused. And sometimes my speak. I have things in my head to say, but I can't say it. It doesn't work. Hello? Well, Wunder is a really sweet cult. Yes. Yeah. Well, I show you more. I'm, I think, 8 weeks behind. So soon there will be more. Be careful. Oh, did you see the other side? I show you. Hi. Well, I'm sitting now in the part where the ponies are, and there's coming someone. Peach! Oh! And Daisy. Oh! You didn't see them yet. Well, this is Peach. You didn't know her. But soon I show you more. And her dad is Johnny. And her mom is Daisy. Yeah. And the others are afraid of Daisy. Do now. Glendy and Mario. Hey. And Mario is also a bit afraid of people. Mario, Daisy, and Glendy, and Peach, en Wunder, en Rijntje, en Uniek en Sally. Hey. Hey Peach. Kom eens. And here's also a little Johnny. How fantastic. There and oh. Well, later more of these cuties. Oh, the wind is blowing. And I want to show you Bjarni and Spidey. And Kiki. Hey. Hi. And Juke. And I think it's very different because everything is green now, and in the videos I post and right now isn't it green yet. So sorry, it's dat ik zat hier achterin. I translate it. But I want to show you Bjarni. Hey Bjarni. And he's not mine, he's still from Matilda. Yeah. And he's just a friend of Spidey. Hi. We zijn bezig om plastic onder in de bak te lezen. Straks komen er drainagebuizen op. En dan zon. En met die drainagebuizen kunnen we het water afvoeren.
Dat het maar een beetje galop. Drap.
Ik wil even chillen. Ik ren de hele tijd met een big smile. Want mijn hele leven droom ik al van een stal en eigen hinders. En nou is het gewoon zover. De boksen binnen. Nou nog een paar eigen hinders. Dat is helemaal fantastisch wezen natuurlijk. Wauw. Vet cool. Wow. Echt zo mooi. Ongelooflijk.
Mijn weg is Mila zo.
Hoi Bouke. Hoi Matten.
Hoi.
Hey, wat ben je man van?
Ik ben gezellig in de. Waar is de kerkverstalling van?
Caravanstalling. Ja, ja. Ze ben zo goed als kleer. Leuk man. Ik ben echt zo blij mee. Ik vind het echt geweldig dat dit gewoon kan. Wie je dat ooit dacht.